Natalie and Marek asked question about the questions 4 and 5 on warm-ups. So let me read this. It says, Max orders trading cards from an online store every month. In addition to the price of the cards, he pays $4 shipping for each order. The table shows the price and of the cards and the total cost of cards and shipping each month for 3 months. So you look at the table, okay? It says if the price of card is $6, the cost for card and shipping is $10. If the price of cards is $12, the cost of cards and shipping is $16. And if the price of cards is $7, the total cost for card and shipping is $4. You can see from here that the relationship is plus 4, right? You need to add 4 to each one to cover the shipping cost. The card is $6 plus $4 shipping, and it will be $10. 12 plus 4 is 16, and 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay. One of the points on the coordinate grid below, which is this one, okay? I'm sorry it's like that because I couldn't put them on two separate pictures. I can only have one picture for each question. One of the points on the coordinate grid below, which is above, represents Mark's trading card data for the 4th month, which could be the point. Okay, so you remember you need to add 4 to the price of card. Okay, so this is 2 is 6, so that's 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 and 9, that's not. This one is 4 and 4, so that's not it. 9 and, okay, that's backwards. So you know the only one that's possible is A, okay? 2 and 6, because if the cost of the card is $2, you need to add $4 shipping to find the total cards, okay? Number 5. On the 5th month, Max spent $5 total. So that's the total. So $5 here. Okay, $5 here. So you need to subtract 4. And what is the X? So $5 here. So the total is 5. So you need to subtract 4 to find what the price of cards is. Right? So that would be 1,5. Not 5,9 because 5 has to be the total. 5 has to be in the back. Okay, that's all from Miss J. I hope that helped.